Alright, let's test the fan noise. So, just comparison. Of course, AC would kick on right when oh, yeah, password. Let's do something that's gonna use up full power. I should probably. Oh, come on, video. Hold on, I gotta turn off my laptop that's making a whining noise right behind me. There, now it's just the AC unit going. Oh, I did change the controller layout. Boop, boop, boop. Yes, I know, I changed everything. Uh-oh, touchscreen's not working. Oops. Yeah. The game just crashed, not the Steam Deck. No. And this is about where my face is at. Alright, I'm not really sure what else to look for. The GPU is maxing out at times. The temps are really good. So, honest question, I've only seen posts on the subreddit for Steam Deck about fan noise and whining. What type of environments are you in? Because mine at home, my house is around 70, 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and sounds about exactly the same. I mean, probably if it's warmer, it might be a little louder, but the fan noise is, I mean, it's a fairly quiet room compared to if I was playing a really active game. That makes more noise than the fan that I hear. Triggers are really silent. Really quiet. I mean, although when I play the Steam Deck. So let's turn up the volume. And that's out. I hardly even noticed the fan at all. I mean, obviously if I put it this way, aiming directly at my ear, I can hear it. But, and I'm aiming towards, you know, a monitor and keyboard. It's not a sound absorber, not a sound barrier. It's literally, there's metal in here. There's no carpet. It's tile floor, so nothing in here would absorb the sound. You know, when I'm hearing the normal, oops, what did I do? Oh, did I break it? Yep. There we go. Just want to keep it going. And I'm not going to edit this. I just want to get the video up the way it is. So I'm not sure if that's the fan whine. It sounds quieter than most laptops. And again, I'm playing with am I audible bullets already? No, sorry, I'm getting quiet. I'm honestly trying to hear the fan noise from the ambient noise. Because if I focus on it, kind of like listening to a song, I can kind of focus on an instrument. I can hear it. But to me, that doesn't sound nearly as bad as a lot of the laptops or desktops that I've heard in my days. And I've been doing tech support on, Chromebooks, which don't have moving parts, so obviously having no fan inside has zero sound versus something that has a fan. I mostly use my Surface here, and this thing, it gets pretty loud when it's on. That's why I had to turn it off to do this sound test. Yeah, I'm just not. At least I'm not understanding the. I don't know if you want to call it rage or hate. I understand that fan noise can be something, but I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about this because it has fan noise. Fan noise, fan whine. I mean, it's a tiny fan. Most tiny fans make some sort of noise, and I know there's comparisons. I've seen the spectrometers for the for the waveforms, and I understand there's like a slight difference. But man, there are some sensitive ears out there, and I thought I had sensitive ears. Like certain TVs, like tube TVs and CRT TVs, I can hear the very high pitched whine when they turn on, or old projector TVs. I can hear that, but to me, it's not annoying. I don't know. I've been playing around with this a lot. I love playing Metro Exodus. I started over to do a new game because I wanted to see how the entire beginning would be. And everything seems pretty playable from here. As for the fan noise, I don't know if I got the good one or bad one. I'm honestly not going to open it up just to find out. To me, it sounds okay. The majority of the time, I'm wearing headphones. And if I'm not, I've got this thing cranked. But yeah, I'm not sure what else to look for. I've been trying to test it in a way that seems neutral. So I just thought full unedited video of going through and checking out the fan noise when idle, because I've seen people say that when idle it even the fan whine is there. So this is at load, hasn't really gone above 60 much, so let's say we're just back at idle. Oh. I heard it go down. yeah, now with my ambient noise in my office, I cannot discern the difference. And this is going from it was around 60-ish degrees Celsius down to 45. Things that are louder than my fan noise, or I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at some of the videos for the fan whine again, because I'd love to get my hands on one to like actually hear the difference, because it's really hard to see on like a video. So my opinion on the fan noise, it's not really an opinion, you know. To me, not anyone else. To me, I can barely notice it, and when I know it's there, I just drown it out. And like I said, the majority of the time, I have headphones plugged in, and then I don't really hear anything outside of that. I don't even hear the clicking and clacking of that when I'm playing. So yeah, I'm not really sure. So hopefully this was just proof that I may or may not have the fan noise. I'm not even really sure exactly what to compare it to, like how high of a frequency and how much of a decibel level do I have to reach for it to be considered a whine, like a bad fan. But I think it's great. The thermals have been good for me. I've played for hours. I played Metro. I played Divinity Original Sin, and some other stuff. So I guess thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this was a little informational, maybe, or just a waste of time. So I'll see you guys next time.